Well, I do not know what happened, but I lost a whole clip, video clip of me building these sheaths. So who knows? So here's what I got. This is the next. Today is Sunday. I filmed the clip of me making these yesterday, just a short clip, and it's gone. So this is what it looks like, and then I take my knife and I kind of trim the edges, and then I go to my belt grinder. Let me get the edge trimmed off of this, and then I'll show you in my shop how I even these edges up. I'll be right back. All right, I got both of these edges sanded smooth, the corners sanded. Now I take this sponge, dampen it, and I dampen the edges of the leather, and then I slick it down with a Dremel with a wooden rod in it. I'm gonna do that, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all slicked down. So here's a before, and I'll show you the after here in 2 seconds. All right, all slicked up. Now I sew them. Actually, I gotta punch my holes and then sew them up and then do my fade. I'm gonna do just a little bit of a black fade around the edges. I'm not gonna go crazy with a real deep fade because this is already dark, and I just wanna kind of stick to the edge with my fade. So anyway, punch my holes, sew this up, do my fade, and I'll show you when I'm done with the fade. I'll show you what that looks like. Yeah, I made a knot. I forgot what I was doing. So I'll undo it. There have been a few people that asked me why I don't put this in a saddle, a stitching saddle. And the simple answer is I like sewing. It's kind of relaxing. I don't mind doing this by hand at all. And I've gotten used to doing it this way where I'm happy with the results and I'm afraid to change anything because, you know, when you're happy with something, if something works, why fix it? You know what I mean? So that's why I don't use a stitching saddle. If I had started off with a stitching saddle, you know, that'd be different. But I've gotten good enough sewing this by hand that I like the results, and I enjoy doing it. And I don't want to change anything because, you know, when you make changes, there's a learning curve. And I've got time. A stitching saddle would probably make this go quicker, but I don't mind. I sit here and think, and my dog is about 3 foot from me over in the rocking chair, so life is good. Oh, Lordy. Plus behind you there, I got the TV on. And I'm watching a hunting channel right now. I don't hunt, but I like the outdoors and I like guns. So Although I'm considering going hunting this year for the first time with my friend Pat. He's got a deer lease up by Gilmer, Texas, and some deer stands that are somewhat nice. I joked with him. He said he was going up to his deer camp. I said, why are you going up there so early? You're going to get the carpet vacuumed and the water heater turned on in his deer stand. And, you know, the air conditioner working, and make sure the satellite TV is picking up all the channels. I don't know if you can hear Sam the duck not far outside my door. My door is open, and we're having to keep Sam separated from Ruthie. And I don't know if you've noticed the difference in size. Ruthie is a tiny little duck, and Sam is a really big duck. And when Sam is trying to know Ruthie, it is absolutely brutal, and he's going to end up breaking her legs. He's already got feathers pulled off her neck. I mean, duck love is not something you want to watch. Not that you want to watch, you know. But it's hard to watch, because you just know he's going to end up breaking her little legs. Such a tiny duck. That's how we're looking. Sorry, didn't mean to get my big fat head in there. Thinking about doing a live stream this afternoon. The hummingbirds are doing their, I don't think they're quite ready to migrate, but they're gaining weight and getting fat, and man, we got probably 30 of them around the bird feeders. And I just thought I'd set a camera up out by the bird feeders and do a live stream. Just set it on the bird feeders and watch them flutter around and fight and fuss. And all right, when I get the second one done, I will show you. I already got the holes punched. See you in a bit. All right. Dim's dim. Now, I'll get these in there and see how they look. Okay, I put the edge on these, and tomorrow's a holiday, so Tuesday I will ship these.